Welcome, here I've got REALME 7 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open here the advanced camera settings. And here we have the watermark option, so when we tap on this we get access to options about the watermarks. We can add the phone model watermark here by using this button. We can turn it on and turn it off easily. With the phone model is also connected the auto watermark. As you can see, by tapping on this we can add our own custom watermark, for example HardReset. And OK, but remember that this is connected, so you can't add the author without the phone model. And we have also the date and time watermark, so the timestamp. Also by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off easily, like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture to see the watermarks at the real one. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this one button, so we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture. As you can see, we have the watermarks at the bottom. From the left, let's get closer to it. We have the REALME watermark with the custom, so REALME 48 megapixels, auto intelligent quad camera and shot by HardReset. And from the right we have the timestamp. Of course, when you don't need this you can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner, pick this button again, pick the watermark and use these buttons to turn them off. So now when you take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.